today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app, on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on copy trader here, and you come here to copy stop loss updates, clicking this sign or this color. So the like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here copy stop loss updates disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.